जय श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जी की जय। जय नित्यलीला कृष्ण विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतमद भक्ति वेदांत श्रवण कृष्ण महाराज की नारायण कृष्ण महाराज की जय। भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोसाई महाराज की जय। भक्ति सिद्धांत श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। रूपानुग गुरुवर्ग की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। पतित पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। सचिनंदन गौर हरि की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंद। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधाकांत तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी नमामि हरिप्रिये। जयतां सुरतोर्वङ्गोर्मम मन्दमतेर्गते मत्सर्वस्य पदाम्बुजो श्रीराधा दिव्यदविन्दारुण्य कल्पद्रुमादसिमद्रत्नाकर सिंहास्तनस्तु श्री श्री राधा शिल गोविंद दिव्यो पृष्ठालु शिवमानो स्मरामि। श्रीमान रासरसारम्भे वंशीवटतटस्थिता करसन्वेन शनैर्गोपी गोपीनाथ श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So, first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma. Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtotara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtotara Satasya Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam. Lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtotara Satamad Bhakti Vedanta Srinan Goswami Bhakti Rapa Siddhar Guruktam Puri Goswami Maharaj. and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis. So by the causeless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, we also performed Srikshetra Mandal Parikrama. Today is our last Parikrama in here. How many devotees will stay here? Today?
Put your hand up.
Stay. Will stay.
How many devotees? First time coming here?
No, staying here today, tonight.
Who's not going to Akola? Who's not going to Akola?
Who is not going?
Who is not going over?
I think 16.
All Chinese are staying.
All Chinese are staying. We like to also arrange up who is staying, who is not staying. Okay, so later will be written back, we will discuss who is staying, who is not staying. So, just we also took Achman in Setaganga. Very nice, beautiful pond. Actually, this pond is just very close to Lord Jagannath. In the beginning of the creation of the material world, Satyugas, that time one king, his name was Setasar. Seth. He was very pious king and he also worshipped Lord Jagannath. And one day, one poor Brahmana, he also cooked some kinds of preparation, delicious prasad for Thakurji. But when he saw the king, he offered many kinds of delicious prasad for Thakurji. That time the Brahman is thinking, how possible Lord will accept my this offering. And he is thinking, Lord Jagannath is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Jagannath means Jagannath. Who is the Supreme Controller of the universe. For this regard, he is called Jagannath. And Lord Jagannath has many consorts, Lakshmi. So they cooked for Thakurji and very nice sweet dishes. Especially, actually, in Jagannath Puri, Lakshmi Devi, she herself cooked for Lord Jagannath. Now this tradition is going on, the Brahmana just put rice, dal, everything one by one clay pot on top of each other, giving this. And put the fire under and wood something this. Then close the door. Then after 1 hour, return back and they saw everything complete to her, perfect cooked. You can imagine how possible. Lower pot, upper pot, and everything is one. Perfectly cooked. And also very tasty. Understand? Not one also overcooked or undercooked, not possible. Generally, if you are the lower pot, under the lower pot, maybe more cooked. Or upper pot, maybe less cooked. But in Jagannath Puri, and in the kitchen room, the system is in this way. Then if the lower and upper, the completely proper way, cooked. Amazing, this is true. Yeah, how possible these things? And at a time, this side, you did not see the oven, how they cooked for Thakurji, Jagannath. And the simple oven at the village oven, not your gas or electric. They are also cooked with the wood. And still those wood, they are in Jagannath temple they not wood any to electrical or mechanical. Put the fire, then put the wood and automatically. How possible this? And wood also burn in proper way. How this way? Actually, this is thing. Lakshmi Devi, she herself cooked for Lord Jagannath. For this regard, Jagannath Prasad is very tasty. You cannot imagine how Jagannath Prasad is tasty. We are cooking, putting this way, this oil, ghee, starving this way, and soak this thing. And sometimes you will forget put the salt. And maybe too much. Then no, one tell, no, this is not salty. Then she will again put. Look how this is our thing. And looks in the kitchen room, there nobody there. 1 hour, nobody inside there. Still this is going on. This tradition also is going on. Could you imagine? If you put the fire will be burn and going up. But it is not. The fire they give, this wood are giving this way and proper way also. And burning and everything. And Jagannath Prasad is actually this Jagannath Prasad cooked by direct Lakshmi Devi. And you cannot believe this thing. So for this regard, Shastra explains, if Jagannath Prasad will come, never refuse. Prapti Matreppa Bhakshapa. Our Shastra explains, if Jagannath Prasad will come, just come and lick. And if you neglect, Jagannath will be very angry also. And other Prasad, Ramchandra Prasad, Krishna Prasad, if you will not take, I will not take. Take later these things. Maybe they will not say anything. But Jagannath Prasad, Prapti Matreppa Bhakshapa. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought Jagannath Prasad and offered to Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur, very humble, told, please give the way to the Brahmana. So they... How did he say? Jagannath Mahaprabhu, one day he brought Jagannath Prasad in the place of Haridas Thakur, Siddha Gopal. Then Haridas Thakur gave Haridas Thakur just to hold, and he thinking, how will take? Tears rolling down. Then Mahaprabhu asked Haridas, why are you not taking Prasad? Because Jagannath Prasad is coming, Prakti Matreppa Bhakshapa. It's coming, you receive, and immediately you have to take it. Then Haridas Thakur told Prabhu, today I am sick, so for this regard I did not chant 3 lakhs holy names. So how will take prasad? Some devotee is not chanting Gayatri mantra and taking Gurudev, I forgot. Forgotten sometimes. Or sometimes giving prasad, then chanting. Gayatri mantra, how many chapati? 2. This is not the process of chanting Gayatri mantra. Or Haridas Thakur, chanting Prabhu. Now I am thinking, what will do now? Mahaprasad, I cannot deny the Mahaprasad. Or another hand, I did not then chant holy names completely. What will do now? Then Mahaprabhu told Haridas, don't worry. Now you are Siddha. Don't give attention towards your sadhana. Then according to the instruction of Mahaprabhu, Srila Haridas Thakur, Haridas, Namacharya Haridas, he took Mahaprasad. So I am saying, because if this Mahaprasad will, especially Jagannath Prasad will come, never you deny. You can take little. No problem. Why don't I will take? Big problem. Jagannath will become very angry and heavy. Chastisement.
Is the Prayashchit atonement for this? It's got atonement, Prayashchit, to Maafi Mangna karo, Prayashchit karo.
Hari chant, please. So, repented for yourself. It's the only one person. Because ignorance. कोई यदि एक कह रहे हैं जैसे किसी ने डिनाई कर दिया प्रसाद आ गया जगन्नाथ जी का, आपको नहीं मैं नहीं लूँगा, अपराध हो गया। कोई कहे जी अपराध हो गया तो फिर मैं उसके लिए मेरा अपराध कैसे क्षमा होगा? That time you have repented. Jagannath, I don't know the glories of the Mahaprasad, give mercy. And pay your obeisances, lotus feet of Lord Jagannath. This is the process. So now coming in this way, what do you say? So that Brahmana, he was thinking, the king Seta, he offered many kinds of preparation, and also Lord Jagannath is taking prasad. So the Brahman is thinking, I cooked very simple. How Lord Jagannath will accept my prasad? And he was crying and crying. Then next early in the morning, the Brahman, he came in the temple, he saw the king, many kinds of preparation is here. But Lord Jagannath, he is taking his Brahman preparation. Bolo Jagannath ki jai, Bolo Sita Ganga ki jai. Another very nice beautiful story, why this place is called Ganga. Before never Seta, and now coming Seta Ganga. Actually Ganga Mata Goswamini, his name was, what is his name? Sachi Devi. And when she was young, she is the princess of Putianarish, nearby Jaipur. When she was young, and that time she completely surrendered to the feet of Krishna. And she do bhajan and sadhan. But king and queen told, no, you have to marry. She told, no, I don't want to marry. Only want my husband, Krishna, Govinda. Understand? For this regard, she also put one thread on her hand. There she thinking, Krishna is my husband. Krishna is called Jagatpati, Jagannath. Actually, this is true. Who is your husband? Krishna, Jagannath. Nath means husband. And if are male or female, everybody's husband is who? Krishna. Jagannath, Jagatpati. And husband means who protects to us. So she denied the proposal of her parents to marriage ceremony. She left house and she came in Vrindavan. And she took shelter, lotus feet of one sadhu, his name Haridas. Very high class, exalted sadhu. And she was staying on the bank of Radha Kunda and do bhajan and sadhana. But you know, if a young girl will come along state, then many also jackals, vultures chasing behind her or not. What is that? And stupid nonsense people will be chasing behind you. This is true. I listen also. Again and I listen. Many people also take it. Maharaj, with your many Western young girls with you, so some also are. And bogus person also and joined your group and chasing. This is true, I do. So very carefully. Understand? One devotee also told me, but Maharaj, I know in your group many young girls, and with you they coming in different countries, are some and stupid nonsense people and chasing behind. And because this is the nature. So you should be very careful. Understand? Especially the Dham, Navadvip Dham, Vrindavan Dham, and Jagannath. In the Dham, you should not do any bad things. Understand? You think, oh, he's my boyfriend, girlfriend, embracing, kissing, stupid nonsense. No, this is offense. And then you will go to the hell. Paramartha, spiritual life will be very far. And you will become pig, not pig in hell. Hell pig. नरक के सुअर बनना पड़ता है। धाम में, इसलिए धाम में आकर के कोई गलत काम ना करे, इसके धाम अपराध हो जाता है। If you do commit sinful activities, stupid nonsense, embracing, kissing, sexual things in your Western country, then less offense. But if you do the same thing in Dham, you cannot imagine how many lives, thousand lives, you will go to the hell and become pig. Very be careful again. I know many also young boy, young girl chasing behind you. Understand? Very carefully. Many people also, they told me, report to me. So, very carefully. I am not giving attention. I am in front, I am chanting, doing kirtan, servicing. I am not giving attention. Who is embracing and kissing boyfriend, girlfriend, I am not. If I see, then I will beat you. But I have no time. Gurudev told also these things. So be very careful. In the Dham, don't do any bad things. This is important. Then you will lose. Spiritual life is very far also. Even your material life will be not. So very careful these things. So now Sachi Devi, when she came in where? Radha Kund. Jackal. Who is Jackal? Jackal and Bhaja means man. Young man also say, oh, she is princess. Very beautiful, attractive. So she also Jai Mahaprasad. But she was, her Gurudev told, listen very carefully. Haridas, he told to Sachi Devi, Sachi, very carefully, stay in here, and you can stay with one young, old lady, what is her name? Lakshmi Priya something, Vishnu Priya, Lakshmi Priya. She took care to you. She was staying there. But still some young person chasing behind. This is the nature. When she was doing Govardhana Parikrama or Radha Kund Parikrama, and that time also that young boy or young person chasing. And one day she was staying alone, Haru. That time one young guy came. And she want to enjoy. Then she told, okay, don't worry. She told, okay, come tomorrow. Tomorrow will come. I will fulfill your desire. Then what happened? She took one kind of pills. Someone comes pills. Then he was so much diarrhea. Vomiting, diarrhea, and all the vomiting and diarrhea, a stool, she put, collect and put one bucket. Understand? Then her body completely what? Lean and thin, eyes going down, nose going down, lips completely what? Body is skinny. Next morning, that same vulture guy, vulture? Gid. Balcharan understand, that person. He came, hey, who are you? I'm Sam. But yesterday I saw your beautiful form. Where is your beautiful form? Do you know? My beautiful form, I hide. But where is that? Look here, there. Yeah. This is the people. What is this? And then he ran away. This is true story. This is not the story. This is true. And from that, why? Because stupid nonsense, these types of people also enjoy with the beauty of the lady. And enjoy mood. And when she become very skinny, and going down, and then, oh no, I don't. And this is true. If you do bhajan and sadhana very carefully. So Sachi Devi, she was very learned scholar and learned all Shastra from his Guru. What is his name?
Haridas.
And every day chanted 1 lakh Harinam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So every day she did parikrama, Radhakunda parikrama, and completely absorbed. And she was very expert to speak Bhagavad Katha. Bhagavad Pravakta. Pravakta, understand? Very nice speaker about Srimad Bhagavatam. Though she was lady, but very strong and Bhagavad Katha. Well, many people listen her Hari Katha. Then after a couple of years, then his Guru told Haridas, he told, you should go Jagannath Puri. And Jagannath Puri, go there. And there's the place of Sarva Bhattacharya, and to renovate that place. So this place also renovated by his name? Sachi Devi, that time. And then one person also gave one Thakurji. What is his name? Radha. But she don't want to worship Thakurji, because if you keep Thakurji, what is her name? Thakurji's name? Radha? Achha, chalo, just I remember Thakurji's name. First he told, no, I don't want to take the deities. Because if you worship Thakurji, need follow many rules and regulations. My Gurudev told, Vigraha dekhiya hoy agraha, tarpar hoy galagraha. If you see the deities, why worship Thakurji? But when the rules and regulations coming, you have no time. What will do now? Many devotees go, Gurudev, what will do the Thakurji now? I have no time, I have to do this. In the beginning, very eager to worship Thakurji. And if you have Thakurji installed it, you have to worship 3 times. 3 times you have to offering, 3 times do arati, morning, midday and evening. Thakur Seva is not so easy. Samrai. Thakurji's name? Samrai. So for this reason. So he rejected. But that Brahmana, he left Thakurji in her one Tulasi garden. Then midnight Thakurji came in her dream. Told, hey Sachi, I don't want to go anywhere, I want to stay here. I want to service from you. Thakurji ne sakshat kaha, Samrai. ठाकुर जी ने श्यामराव, मैं तुम्हारे द्वारा मैं सेवा लेना चाहता हूँ. तो फिर then early in the morning, Sachi Devi when she waked up, that Thakurji under the Tulasi lives there. Then she worships the Thakurji. So according to the instruction, our Guru Haridas, then Sachi Devi she came here and do bhajan and sadhana. And she was very powerful. Even king of Jagannath Puri, that time very influenced her Hari Katha. Sometimes king disguised the form of ordinary person and listen Hari Katha. And she also gave Diksha to many. She made many disciples. And Hari Katha, especially she spoke about Srimad Bhagavatam, Ras Lila Katha. And everybody charmed her Hari Katha. And especially Gopi Git. Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi vireditam kalmasahapam Sravana mangalam srimadatatam bhuvigrinanti te bhurida jana tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi vireditam kalmasahapam Sravana mangalam srimadatatam bhuvigrinanti te bhurida jana. When she gave Hari Katha about Srimad Bhagavatam, everybody charmed. Now, in this way, she preached in Jagannath Puri. But she was very renowned person. So, according to the Ganga Snan, in Bengal, especially Ganga Snan, understand? And that time, many people they are going to take bath in the Ganga Sagar. I think they are 15th of January, 14th of January, Sankranti, and that time, especially Indian people, especially Bengali people, they are going to nearby Calcutta, where the Ganga meet with the ocean. That is called Ganga Sagar, the Bay of Bengal. Who wants to go? Very far.
We're here.
Here is the same. This is called Setaganga. She was staying here, but she took vow, I will stay in only Jagannath. There is Khetra sannyasi like this. Because her Gurudev told, you stay in Jagannath. Guru Mukha Padmavakya Chittete Koriya Vaikya Arna Koriya Mone Asha. Because she followed the instruction of her Guru. Because Gurudev told, you go to Jagannath Puri and stay there. And she was staying here. But at the time of Ganga Snan, the many people are going to Ganga Snan, Ganga Snan, nearby Calcutta, Bengal. But she thinking, oh, I cannot go because my Gurudev did not give me order, so how will go? He followed the instruction of Guru. In the same way, but she is a little bit upset. Oh, everybody is going to take bath in Ganga, but I am alone, what to do? But what happened? Same day, she was taking bath, this pond. Understand this one? Then, when she was taking bath, one waves come. And she took bath. And she attended to Ganga Sagar and took bath this. Again return back. But what happened? Something is happened. When she took bath here, but where is the real Ganga? The real Ganga on the lotus feet of Lord Jagannath. Original Ganga is manufactured from Lord. Ganga is what? The food bathing water of Lord. Lord Vishnu Jagannath himself. So when she was taking bath in this, and that time the source of Ganga is coming, and she also completely what? Pulled down, and attained in the lotus feet of Lord Jagannath. You understand? Because but early in the morning, when Pujari opened the door, then Pujari saw Sachi Mata. She was standing in front of lotus feet of Lord Jagannath. Then Pujari immediately she gave information to king, and then police arrest to her. Oh, she is a pretender. Daytime she is speaking Hari Katha, or night time she is stealing. Understand? Because from Jagannath. Jagannath is so many ornaments you can imagine. Many times gold, jewels, these things. British government ruled India, British government tried to take out. Because British government is completely what? Stealer. They are stealing everything. They are dacoits, thieves. They came from England here to stealing. All gold, these things. But when they tried to steal Lord Jagannath, then they saw big or snake. For this regard, British people, they cannot enter in temple of Jagannath. Understand? What will say? Even also one demon, his name is Kalapahad. He tried to destroy all the Hindu temples. He destroyed many temples. But when he came here, but not do anything. Because this Jagannath Puri, Jagannath Dham, Jagannath temple, direct protected by Lord Jagannath. This is the specialty. Many Muslim kings, they destroyed many Hindus temple. But no one can touch Lord Jagannath's temple, nothing. They try. Even many envious, jealousy, try to destroy Lord Jagannath's temple. But not possible. Because this Lord Jagannath, this temple is complete Lord protected by Lord Jagannath. So now coming in this way, so police arrest to her, and also blessed flame, oh, Sachi Devi, she is pretender. Daytime she is speaking Harikatha, and night time she is stealing. She told, I don't know how I have come here. Because Lord Jagannath temple is what? Closed with many doors and many also what? Locks. Not so easy to go there. So it's a police investigated. How did she come? She told her, I don't know. Just I was taking bath in this pond. Then I don't know. I have come this way. But police also put in jail. She is now in the jail. Night time Lord Jagannath came in the dream of king. Hey king, do you know? Sachi Devi, she is the direct manifestation of my consort Lakshmi Devi. Lord Jagannath, राजा आपके कहा, क्या कहा? ये सची देवी जो है, मेरे जो लक्ष्मी है ना, उस लक्ष्मी के साक्षात स्वरूप के अंश आए। और ये कैसे आई? लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ ने कहा, ये जब स्नान किया ना, जगन्नाथ ने कहा मेरे चरण कमल से जो गंगा प्रवाहित है, गंगा स्नान करने के लिए इच्छा हुई, इसलिए मैं अपने चरण कमल से गंगा को प्रवाहित करके मैं उनको अपने चरण कमल में लेकर गया। समझ में? आप बताओ क्या बोला? इंग्लिश में बोलो क्या बोला?
She is Sachi Mata. She is the manifestation of Lakshmi Devi. And then
She is the manifestation part of Lakshmi Devi. Lakshmi Devi की अंश कहा है. Pardon?
Water. Ganga water went to Jagannath temple.
This water, the water of the Ganges. The water of the Ganges manifested from the lotus feet of Lord Jagannath, because Lord Jagannath non depends on Vishnu, Bhagavad Tattva. Sachi Devi had desire to take bath in the Ganges. So for this regard, Lord Jagannath manifested the water of the Ganges from his lotus feet. And when she was taking bath in this pond, the stream of the water of the Ganges and took her
to the lotus
feet of Lord Jagannath.
But the water did not go there.
Understand?
वो पूछ रहे पानी भी साथ में चले गए.
अरे जा सकते भगवान अचिंत शक्ति है. Don't you try to understand it. जा सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं जा सकते? आप उसके जड़ रूप में चिंता मत करो. Don't you think your material conception.
Everything is possible. Everything is possible.
Everything is possible. देखिए ट्रांसेंडेंट है. भगवत धाम दिस है. Then Lord Jagannath told to king, as soon as possible, midnight, you prepare one very nice, beautiful chariot, and king and queen both will take chamar and fan, turn into Sachi Devi, and make nice, beautiful chariot festival, and declare Sachi Devi she has no any fault. Then midnight, king also arranged. This way, Sachi Devi she was still sitting on the chariot, and king and queen also with fanning, with chamar, and declared Sachi Devi, she is the very nearest Lord Jagannath. For this regard, her name is called now, what is called? Ganga Mata Goswami. Ganga Devi took her on the lotus feet of Lord Jagannath. For this regard, her name is called Ganga Mata Goswami. Bolo Ganga Mata Goswamini ki Jai Jai Shri Radhe. So try to become Ganga Mata Goswami. If you want to bhajan and sadhana, completely surrender lotus feet Lord Jagannath. Another Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Jagannath Puri. Yesterday I also told. Lord Jagannath, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always observed, I am Radha, now I am going to meet with my beloved Krishna. Srimati Radhika's three expansions. One is called origin expansion of Vishwanandini, Srimati Radhika. She always lives in Vrindavan. Vrindavanam prittajam padamekam na gacchati. Krishna never goes out one step from Vrindavan. In the same way, Vishwanandini Srimati Radhika, Vishwanandini, the daughter of Vishwanu Maharaj, she does not go out one step from Vrindavan. Her two expansions, one is called Samjogini Radha, another is called Viyogini Radha. Viyogini Radha, feeling separation mood, she was staying in what is called Uddhav Kyari. And when Uddhav came and she saw Srimati Radhika transcendental madness, Madhubakito Bandhu Ma Visranghi. This sloka is Srimati Radhika, she completely absorbed in her transcendental madness. Uddhav came and saw Srimati Radhika's this is a transcendental madness, Dibba Unmad Dasa. That is called Viyogini Radha. Or another expansion Srimati Radhika, that is called Samjogini Radha. Samjogini Radha, she came in Kurukshetra and met with Krishna. That thing is also, that is called Kurukshetra Prasanga. Priyo soyam sahajari Kurukshetra milita. Srimati Radhika, she told Oh my girlfriend Lalita Abhishekhe, now I am same Radha. Now I am meeting with my same beloved Govinda Krishna. But my heart is not overjoyed. Why? Because here my beloved Krishna's form is completely or more different. He is thinking, I am Dwarkadhish, I am king of Dwarka, Dwarkadhish. No peacock feather, no flute, no turban, nothing. Only was a crown, golden crown, because he is called king of Dwarka, Dwarkapuri. And his associated also, Parikar also. Ugrasen, Uddhav, Pandavas also there. Because everything depends on your associate. भगवान अपने स्वरूप के कैसे प्रकाश करते हैं? अपने जैसे परिकर होते हैं ना, उस परिकर के अनुसार अपने स्वरूप के प्रकाश करते हैं. According to his own associator, Lord manifests his particular form. भगवान तो एक ही है, Lord is one, this is true. But according to his parikar, associates, then he manifests his form. In Dwarkapuri, who is associator? Uddhav, Ugrasen, Rukmini, Satyabhama. For this regard, he is called Dwarkadhish. Or Vrindavan, who is the associate of Krishna? Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, Rupmanjani, Ratimanjani, Chandravali, Bhadra, Padma, are there. And Krishna manifests very nice, beautiful his Tribhanga Lalit. Actually, Krishna manifests his Tribhanga Lalit only in front of Srimati Radhika. Radha jadi age Krishna rahe dandaya, Tribhanga Lalidha Bruna Chaya. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Krishna manifests his 3 and 4 Tribhanga Lalit only in front of Srimati Radhika. So saying Chaitanya Charitamrita, Radha age Krishna jadi rahe dandaya, Tribhanga Lalidha Bruna Chaya. Bruna Chandra, his eyebrows and dancing, and also sidelong glands, very nice and beautiful. And you can speak with your mouth. This is the simple. But you can speak with your eyes. Understand? Lover and beloved, they don't speak with their mouth. They speak with their
eyes.
This is the nature. So in the same way, Krishna, he speaks with Srimati Radhika, with her eyes, with her eyebrows. This way. He speaks this way. Very nice, beautiful. No need to speak. Where I will meet with you. Lover and beloved, they don't speak with the mouth, words. Krishna, Gopi they really. Krishna again and again. Caressing. Caressing is here, doing this. Then Gopis, Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, they realize, now Krishna, today Krishna will meet with us. Where? Kesava Kunja. Kes means here. Or Kunja, Kesava Kunja. Kesava Kunja. Then Krishna taking one and green leaves, just moving. Then Gopi they realize, today our beloved Krishna will meet with us. Where? Harit Kunja. This is called the prem. Prem not expressing with the words. Prem expressing with their senses. That is called body language, he says. Hints. This. That is called also, people are saying that is called body language. Do this way, how.
Sign language.
Body language. You read one book also there, there is body language. You did not read. I have also. One person gave me, one day I gave lecture, then Kumara, do you know this book? What is this book? I did not read. They gave me. That is called body language. Body language. With your eyes, with your eyebrows, everything you are sign. With your hands, what you want to, how to express your this thing only lover and beloved can understand. Nobody can. If you go Golok Vrindavan, if you have become the form of gopis, and in the school, you have to learn these things. Understand? You have to learn body language area. They are also body language. Their body language is transcendental. Here this stupid nonsense body language. Only the sexual stupidity. But if you go to Vrindavan, you have to train. Without train, you cannot meet with Radha and Krishna. Sometimes I am traveling. Now you are a soldier. Those who are traveling with me, they are every soldier. This is not training place. This is what place? This is your soldier. Soldier going to the battlefield, you have to serve this way. And when, before coming to the battlefield, have to train. 1 month, 3 months, 10 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. The training center. Yesterday he told. Oh yes, he told. Oh, you have to serve. You have to serve to have first training. Why do you get training? In the temple. In the temple, you will stay 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. You learn. And you are traveling. Traveling is not the place of training. Then this is not yet. This is your
Battlefield.
battlefield. You know, battlefield. You think, no, I will battlefield. I will without training. I will go battlefield.
You'll die.
You cannot do anything. मर जाएंगे नहीं, ठीक से नहीं होगा ना. ये सोच रहे हैं महाराज से हम ट्रैवल करेंगे और सीख जाएंगे, कभी सीख नहीं पाओगे. क्यों? हम जो ट्रैवल करते हैं यहाँ पर तुम्हें सीखने के समय नहीं होगा. हमारे साथ वो कहते हैं एक मंदिर में रहना पड़ेगा, सीखना पड़ेगा. तुम सीखने के लिए stay one place. How to serve, how to do. Understand? When you train, then you can travel. If you are no train, how to travel? It's simple. I am speaking the truth or not?
Yes.
You don't know how to serve. Giving everybody or give lot of prasad one plate and next plate. You have to give the prasad too. You have to check how many people are came and this prasad how to serve. Everybody have to get. This is true. Otherwise, the next person will say, "Oh Maharaj, he gave a lot of them. I did not get it." They complain. But when you temple, then you can learn how to.
Where to put the prashad, not on the kitchen.
This is the process. So I am saying it this way.
Or on your plate.
But, so what did he say? क्या बोला?
प्रेम की भाषा.
प्रेम की जाती. That's called language, body language. और Srimati Radhika, she knows all the activities of Krishna. And gopis they also learn because gopis they already are trained. Understand? Then they understand all the hints of Krishna or Srimati Radhika. This is the truth. Actually, who perfectly served to Krishna? Srimati Radhika. Because Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. अकेली कृष्ण जाने, अकेली राधा जाने कृष्ण हृदय. Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. For this regard, she serves very properly. If you don't know the heart of Guru, you cannot properly serve. Understand? I told, give water. What water will give to me? This is your question. What will give to me? Hot water or cold water?
Hot water in the morning, coffee.
If you don't know Gurudev, I don't know your heart. So he walks. Gurudev, hot water this one. This is simple. If you don't know, otherwise why are you giving the hot water now? Huh? You are not a machine. You are not robot. Robot. Robot means is what? Robot no brain. Just machine. Robot. You are not a machine. If you not understand the heart of Guru, this is true. You have asked, you what water do you want? Cold water or? And without asking, give the hot water. Hey, now very hot. How possible to drink the hot water? Hey? You are not machine. Should not become machine. Machine की तरह सेवा नहीं होता है। Understand? विदेश में ज्यादातर मशीन में ही सेवा होता है, सब से काम तुम्हारे उसमें वो स्कैन हो जाता है ना, उसमें जो मशीन में लगा देता है वही बस करेगा। तुम 1000 चिल्ला दे लो कोई काम नहीं होगा। कहते हमारा नहीं है, तुम्हारे डेट 7 तारीख का है, 7 तारीख को आना ही पड़ेगा, 6 तारीख को नहीं होगा, स्कैनिंग हो गया तुम्हारा। मैंने कहा भाई 6 तारीख को हम जा रहे हैं, एक दिन पहले को वो नहीं होगा,
एक्सेस
नहीं होगा, हमारा आए नहीं तुम्हारे। बोले इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? बोले उस पे जाओ ऊपर वाला से उसको 6 तारीख चेंज 7 से 6 चेंज करके लाओ, फिर मशीन में डालेंगे, मशीन ग्रीन साइन दिखाएंगे तब होगा। है कि नहीं? क्योंकि सेवा जो होता है मशीन सेवा नहीं होता, सेवा होता है ना। जैसे गुरुदेव ना जो वो इसमें क्या चैंटिंग करते हैं, क्या बोले? काउंटर में चैंटिंग करते, गुरुदेव गुस्सा करते थे, बोले तुम ये सब मत करो, हरिनाम करो, तुलसी माला में हरिनाम करो। ये ऐसे नहीं है मशीन में थोड़ी होता है, तुम मशीन बन जाओगे। गुरुदेव करते थे, गुरुदेव अलाउ नहीं करते थे। गुरुदेव did not allow those who are chanting holy names and counter and message. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Then Hare Hare, Ram Ram, Ram Hare Hare. You know, to chant holy names with Tulsi. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. So now coming in this way, what did he say?
Communicate with your body, language.
So Srimati Radhika and Gopis, they know about the heart of Krishna. How they communicate each other these things. So now coming this place, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here, and after taking sannyas, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here. And on the way, Nityananda Prabhu, he broke Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's danda. How many pieces? 3. Why? Why Nityananda Prabhu, he broke Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's sannyas danda? In 3 pieces. Actually these things, Nityananda Prabhu is thinking Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan. Why Bhagavan will carry the danda? Danda means sannyas danda is Narayan. Danda is the significance of Lord Narayan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Sakshat Bhagavan, Narayan Tattva. So how should one Narayan can do another Narayan? So for this regard, Nityananda Prabhu, he broke. And another thing, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took sannyas, actually Ekadandi sannyas. In our Gaudiya Sampradaya, Tridandi sannyas. Tridandi sannyas means you have to serve your Ishtadev with your body, mind and speech. For this regard, Nityananda Prabhu, he broke the danda in 3 pieces. Kaya man vakko. Not ek danda seva. Tridanda seva. This thing. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu become very upset. Externally Mahaprabhu become angry also. Understand? Sometimes Guru externally angry but internally very happy. Understand? So in the same way, externally Chaitanya Mahaprabhu become very angry with Nityananda. Hey Nityananda, why did you break my danda. Eh? But Nityananda told, I don't know, I did not break, you broke. Well, how? Well, you were completely absorbed with static holy names and you fell down on your danda, then your danda broken. Then Mahaprabhu told, no, Nityananda, you are very good. Eh? In this way, Nityananda Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I will not go with you. That's called loving quarrel. And prem kalaha. Loving quarrel. Then Mahaprabhu told Nityananda, I will not go with you. I will go alone. Then no, Prabhu, you go. Nityananda, you go first or I will go first? Then Nityananda Prabhu, you go first. If you go back, we cannot see. If you fainted, who will protect you? So for this regard, Nityananda told Prabhu, you go first, we are back. Okay? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu coming. Then from Bengal to this way I am chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha. Then after long separation, I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not see Jagannath. Mahaprabhu is thinking, who is this? Krishna, Vrindavan Sundar. Yeah? Today morning, when you came in the temple of Lord Jagannath, thousand people in front of us. We cannot see. Eh? We are very certain. They are jumping. Many people also, they cannot see. In front also, thousand. Eh? Then jumping. And people little bit darshan, then for example. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very tallest person, very far. Garuda Stambha. If you go inside of Lord Jagannath, have you seen or not?
Yes.
Garuda Stambha. Guruji sitting on there, taking darshan. Or in outside of the land gate, what Stambha? Do you know? Have you seen or not? That's called Arun Stambha. Eh? Now you go outside, you can see Arun Stambha. Arun means sun god. Eh? Sun god every day used to come to Jagannath Puri and he paid his obeisances to Lord Jagannath and doing many stav stuti. For this regard, that is called Arun Stambha. Arun Stambha everyone can see. So Garuda Stambha inside of Lord Jagannath and Garuda Stambha. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taking darshan to Lord Jagannath and absorbed in the mood, I am Radha. One old lady, Uriya old lady, that's called Adivasya. Adivasya means, what is it called?
Tribal.
No, Aboriginal lady, Adivasya lady. Very simple lady. But she could not take darshan to Lord Jagannath because in front of her, thousand people taking darshan, so she couldn't. But she was very eager to take darshan. Then she also climbed on the shoulder of Lord Chaitanya. Lord Chaitanya very back and very tallest.
Yeah.
And she climbed on the shoulder of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One leg in the shoulder of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or one leg in the hand of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This way. Then she is thinking this is maybe one step. Then all devotees dressed with Lord Chaitanya, hey, you are lady, what are you doing? Why the shoulder of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told all his assistants, don't disturb to her. Look how she has so much eagerness to take darshan to Lord Jagannath. Amar to eto arti nahi. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I have no these types of eagerness to take darshan to Lord Jagannath. Look, she's lady, she completely forgot that I am a man or wood. She's thinking, oh, this may be one wood here, so I climb. How she's completely absorbed. Mahaprabhu told, don't disturb to her to take the darshan to Lord Jagannath. Then after taking darshan to Lord Jagannath, she came down. Then she became peace of, oh, this Mahaprabhu. Then she become very, look this. Bhagavad darshan this way. When Lord will give darshan, when will absorb, I have to take darshan. And one disciple asked his Guru, Gurudev, when Lord will give darshan to me? Then Gurudev told, when your eagerness will come, then Lord will give darshan. You know what is the eagerness? Utkantha. Eagerness means?
Utkantha.
That Utkantha means when you are only one point at your aim and objective coming, I want to take darshan to Lord. But she told Gurudev, I can't understand your words. What you are speaking, what is this thing? That time Gurudev told, okay, tomorrow, practically, I will realize to you what is the eagerness, meaning of eagerness. Then next morning, Guru and disciple taking bath in the water. Then disciple very close to Guru and taking bath. Then Gurudev caught his neck and by force pushed down in the water. And maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, then Gurudev. Then disciple. That time Gurudev asked, what you are feeling? When you under the water, what you are feeling? Gurudev, only my mind. I will take the air. Saas kaise le? I will take the breath. And mind is not going in this way. Gurudev told, this is this types of eagerness. When these types of eagerness will come, how will you take darshan to Lord? This is a eagerness not so easy. Now many kinds of eagerness. Many kinds of material. For this Lord is not giving darshan to you. When you are only these types of eagerness will come, I have to take darshan to Lord. These types of eagerness. Bhakti, two things. One is called Utkantha and Abhish. Abhish means absorption. Absorbed. As like we are absorbed with our body and man and woman. Understand? Absorbed. Very difficult to forget to yourself, I am man and woman. Forget. Not forget. But when we forget these things, Nahum Vipronachar, I am, what is your? Gopi Bhartur, Father Kamalur Dasam, I am only the maid servant of Krishna, who is the beloved of the Gopis. Gopi Bhartur Dasam. Or Utkantha eagerness, this kind. So now coming in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this type of eagerness. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chanting holy names and coming Jagannath Puri, and he wants to embrace to Lord Jagannath. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am Radha. Now after long separation I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raised to his hand. Krishna, 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 Rakchamam, Krishna, 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 Mahimam, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rakchamam, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Mahimam, Rama Krishna, Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Mahimam, Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Rakchamam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raised his two hands and tried to embrace to Lord Jagannath. Then Pujari said, hey, there is coming this mad person. Chaitanya is Bhagavan, but they don't understand. Pujari didn't understand. He is Bhagavan, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They stopped to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fell down. In the meantime, same time, Sarva Bhattacharya, who is the guru of impartialists, Shankara philosophers. But he has some knowledge about Rasa Tattva. He knows some knowledge. Then he saw Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his all ecstatic mood. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ecstatic. Then, oh, this is the, how possible this one person, human being, this one. Then okay, bring my room, house, Sarva Bhattacharya is staying here, and that time, after the instruction of Sarva Bhattacharya, then a person brought here. Then after a few minutes, Nityananda Prabhu, he came. And then Nityananda Prabhu asked Prabhu, what you are doing here? Well, now I am chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Mahaprabhu very humble told Nityananda, do you know? This is Sarva Bhattacharya. Mahapandit, great scholar, he gave me shelter. Then Nityananda Prabhu told Prabhu, you gave shelter or he gave shelter to you? Then Sarva Bhattacharya noticed, become very angry with Nityananda. I gave shelter to this mad person, and he is a shelter saying, he gave me shelter. Nityananda Prabhu told this thing because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very humble chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chanting holy names with the locust people. Then many Brahmanas complained to Sarva Bhattacharya. Hey, why did you give shelter to this mad person in your house? This mad person contaminated all over society. He meets with all the low-caste people and chanting Hare Krishna, Hare this. Then Sarva Bhattacharya pacified with the Panditas. This young sannyasi, he does not know the rules and regulation of sannyas. But I will give some instruction. Because he is called Naveen Sannyasi. Young sannyasi. But he does not know the rules and regulations of sannyasi. But I will give training to him. Maybe I will give higher class sannyas. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took the sannyas from Keshav Bharati Sampradaya. So I will give higher class sannyas. That is called Saraswati Sampradaya. But he had to learn some Vedanta darshan. Because without learning Vedanta darshan, how possible he will maintain his sannyas life? Sarva Bhattacharya told, what is your name? Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Name is very nice. And he took sannyas from Keshav Bharati, Bharati Sampradaya. But Bharati Sampradaya middle class. But I will give high class sannyas. That is called Saraswati. Try giving. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I am taking shelter of your feet, so you can give anything, I will accept. That time Sarva Bhattacharya told, first to learn Vedanta darshan. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, okay. The first lesson, Vedanta darshan, Adhato Brahma Jigyasa Shastra Janitvat. And Sarva Bhattacharya explained all the Mayavad philosophy. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was sitting back, not speaking anything. Then all the disciples of Sarva Bhattacharya, they told Gurudev, oh, your katha is very nice, fantastic. Very nice. Do you understand? And all disciples of Sarva Bhattacharya, yes, Gurudev, your katha is completely yours. Written as like water. Pani ke bhati sab hum samajh gaya. We understand very clearly. But Sarva Bhattacharya asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Naveen Sannyasi, what is your opinion about my Katha Vedanta Darshan? Do you understand? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I can't understand your lecture. Why? Because Sarva Chaitanya Mahaprabhu directly told, you gave the explanation completely wrong. But when you recited the Vedanta slokas, then I am looking the blazing sound and completely clear. But when you give the explanation about Vedanta darshan, and that time that the cloud completely covered the sound. And all your explanation completely was wrong. Sarva Bhattacharya become very angry. I am Jagat Guru. Sarvabhauma told. Everybody. Jagat Guru. I gave sannyas, everybody. Everybody give respect to me. And you are saying my explanation is wrong, correct, incorrect. How possible? But you understand? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained all the slokas, Vedanta Darshan. You told Brahma, Satya Jagat Mithya. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, how possible the world is false? Maya Dakshana Prakriti Shvote Sacharacharam Hetu Anena Kunte Jagat Vi Parivartate. Everything is what? Manifestation of Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave that evidence from Ved, Puran, Upanishad and explanation. He told Lord has no form, but Ved, Puran, Upanishad explain this way. He has very nice, beautiful eyes, his beautiful legs, he walks everything. Apani Mahadru Japana Gahita. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you did not learn this slokas? You did not learn this. Sarva Bhattacharya did not give any answer. So these slokas, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu quoted all the slokas. Evidence from Shastra. He told Lord has any form. That is Srimad Bhagavata gives it. Parapiram, Rupukarna, Bodhikarna, Vipratavasukana, Kavina, Vayantamanam, Radran, Randra, Vayanodar, Sudaya, Purana, Gopavindai, Bindaram, Sapataram, Pravis, the Ticket. Did you learn this sloka Srimad Bhagavatam? Why did you say Lord has no form? Lord has beautiful eyes. Kamalana. Why did you say the Lord has no eyes? Lord, he walks. Apani Padu, he has not legs, but he walks. Why? Transcendental legs. One person is Sanskrit thing, you have to learn the two ways. Abhidavritti and Lakshanavritti. Because Vedanta Darshan. Abhidavritti is direct meaning, or another Lakshanavritti indirect meaning. He did not eat. वो कभी खाते नहीं, मतलब क्या है? But he is very fat. He did not eat daytime, but he is very fat. That means he did not eat daytime. This is true, but he eats what time? Night time. So why he is very fat? एक व्यक्ति मोटा कैसे हो जाते बताओ? बिना खाए पिए. अरे खाते तो तुम शरीर बलिष्ठ होता है कि नहीं होता है? तुम खाते हो कि नहीं होता है बताओ? हैं? नहीं तुम्हारी शरीर ऐसे कैसे बन गया? आप तुम बताओ. कहते मैं ही खाता ही नहीं हूं. अरे खाता नहीं तो शरीर तुम मोटा कैसे हो गए? तुम खाते कहो, तुम खा सकते हो मैं दिन में खाता हूं, रात में खाया. सिंपल है. आप ये कह रहे आप कहा दिया मैं रात में खाता नहीं हूं, दिन में खाते हो. कोई कहते रात में नहीं खाता हूँ, दिन में खाते. कोई कहते दिन में खाते, रात में खाते, दिन में खाते. He is fat, but he did not eat daytime. So that means he eats nighttime. So how possible he is fat? So in the same way, Sanskrit meanings you have to learn two ways. One is called direct meaning, and another is called indirect meaning. The Sanskrit word that is called the Abhidavritti, another is called Lakshanavritti. Lakshanavritti indirect. Gangayam Ghosapalli. The village of milkman on the bank of the river. In the river no one can live. On the bank of the river. In the same way, Lord has no legs, but he walks. That means he has transcendental legs. This simple way. Aprakita Chakshu, Aprakita Chara. And Lord, he is Bhagavan, he has inconceivable potential, Ajinta Shakti, he can do everything with his any limbs on body. Conditional soul, which is only one limbs and body can do anything. With our eyes we can only see, with our eyes we cannot eat. Could we eat with our eyes? No. But Lord can do everything. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu defeat to Sarva Bhattacharya. But still some of the Bhattacharya's mind very disturbed. Night time. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared in the dream. And then Sarvabhattacharya, don't worry. Look, who am I? Then Sarvabhattacharya, Mahaprabhu himself, manifested first two arms and sannyas. Then second Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested in the form of Lord Ramchandra with bow and arrow. Then third he manifested Krishna form, Tribhanga Lalit, and understand, playing flutes. You can see that is called Sarabhuj Murti. Parvasajanandani Gauri ki jai. Understand? First is called Danda Kamandul, and sannyas base. Then Ram form, that is called Tir, and it is called bow and arrow. Then Krishna form. That means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am not only sannyasi, I am same Ram in Treta Yuga, I am same Krishna in Dapur Yuga. Then Sarvabhattacharya completely surrendered to the feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
He saw in a dream this, or direct. He saw this in a dream or direct?
Direct. First dream coming. The first you think, oh, maybe this is my dream. But then direct he saw.
He
Open his eyes and direct he saw. Understand? First you thinking, sometimes you think this is my dream maybe. Maybe I should be. No, Lord said no, direct manifesting for him. Sarabhuj, darshan, 6 arms and swing. I am same sannyasi, I am same Ram, and I am same Krishna. Then Sarvabhattacharya decided, Vairagya Vidya Nija Bhakti Yuga Sikshārtamekam Purusha Puranam. Very nice. Baro Sarvabhattacharya ki jai. Then Sarvabhattacharya gave up all the Mayavad conception and completely surrendered to the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Baro Sajanandani Gaur Hari ki jai. Baro Sarvabhattacharya ki jai. Now we go. Okay, everybody give some donation. There is here, they also renovated. As far as you give some. If you give up, you should do.